Good morning, good morning. It is day 2 here at the Orlando Speed World. Vaughn and Chelsea just pulled up, so we get to see them in their fun Haver Fox bodies today. It's going to be a really good day. Chris and I just went over the whole car. Had to fix a couple of the zip ties for the underglow, but other than that, the car seems really good. I'll need some gas here in a little bit, but we're getting the shirt sign up. We sold a few shirts yesterday, so people are starting to buy our merch. How you guys doing today? Good. Good?
Hot.
Hot. Yeah, we are scorched, especially my white friends.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little lights on. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little lights on.
Things are just starting to pop up over here. Starting to get busy. They got the BC Racing booth set up with all the fun Haver stuff. This is Chelsea's car. Eco swapped. Not yet. This thing is sweet. I didn't know it had a 2.3 in it.
It is pretty sick. There and she goes on that second
Got Mr. Tom here. How's it going, buddy?
Hot and sweaty.
Yeah. I heard 2 cars wrecked.
I don't know how many, but there was that orange SN, you know, was parked in the weeds. And they're cleaning up a coolant spill, so I think I've been chilling here in the 100+ degree car for like the last 15 minutes.
You didn't turn on your cooled seat? What's your AC? No, dude, this car looks good though, man.
Yeah, it's been a good event, man.
You like the whole no mirror thing?
Yeah.
Do you?
I'm short, you know, so when I sit in the car, the mirrors get in the way of looking out the side.
Oh.
So I always take them off my car.
You don't drive out on the street anyway, so.
Only gets trailer to the track.
Hell yeah. Looks good, man. You got AC? Oh, my dude. Yeah. I messed up and I forgot to recharge mine.
Oh yeah.
I got it from Copart and it didn't work.
Yeah, mine's a Copart car too.
Is it?
Yeah.
I love it, dude. This car is sweet.
Yeah, man, it's fun.
We got the bottles in the back.
Yeah.
They're not hooked up right now.
No. How big of a shot do you usually spray?
150.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Use it just on the initiation,
yeah, on
or
bigger stuff like on banks. and
okay,
stuff
where
like
you need a little
that.
more
Yeah.
power.
Yeah. Small shit like this, you don't really need it.
They have, I think, 4 S550s. They're all gonna go tandem right now. Oh, and Von Gittens is joining in the back. So they got a 5 train. Wow. All right, let's see. We're doing a little fuel break here.
Still have a lock on it. It's terrible.
Hey, you're already halfway there, buddy.
Am I? Dude, I want that looking RC car. That thing is sick.
Oh, that over there? Oh, it's a drift car.
I wonder if he got it from over there. I might have to go shopping. This monster truck is sweet. This thing's freaking huge.
Get a burger. $3.
Hey, you think Damien would like that? Huh? Think Damien would like that truck?
Dude, them tires are dry rotted.
Dude, they're old as shit.
Bye.